kids, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to imagine something special and inspiring. Today's topic is 10 lines on If I Were a Freedom Fighter. Let's imagine ourselves as brave freedom fighters working for a free and peaceful India. Now let's learn our 10 lines together. If I were a freedom fighter, I would bravely fight for my country's freedom. I would be courageous and work for a free India. I would stand together with my fellow freedom fighters for a free India. Together, we could show the strength of unity and teamwork. I would spread the message of courage, unity, and freedom. I would encourage people to stay brave and stand together. I would peacefully encourage people to join the freedom movement. I would inspire people to support the cause through peaceful action. I would never give up even when the struggle became difficult. I would remain strong and hopeful during challenging times. I would respect and follow the leaders who guided our freedom struggle. I would learn from their courage, wisdom, and dedication. I would encourage young people to love and serve their country. I would teach them that serving the country can begin by helping others. I would dream of an India where everyone could live with dignity and freedom. I would hope for a peaceful country where everyone is treated with respect. I would remember the sacrifices made by brave freedom fighters. I would always be grateful to those who worked and sacrificed for India's freedom. I would work for a peaceful, united, and independent India. My dream would be an India where people live together in peace and harmony. Today, we learned about courage, unity, perseverance, service, and the value of freedom. Freedom did not come easily. Many brave people worked and sacrificed for India's independence. Let us always respect their sacrifices and make good use of the freedom we have today. Remember, be brave, stay united, and never give up. Thank you for learning with me today. Keep learning, keep writing, and keep dreaming. Always be kind, brave, and helpful. Jai Hind. See you in the next video.